How to enable dark mode on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can turn on dark mode in your Instagram account very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to open Instagram, and here you have to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and then you have to click on three lines on top right corner. Just scroll down, and here you have to search for accessibility option. Here you can see accessibility and translations. Click on it, and here you can see dark mode option. Click on it, and here you will see two different options, on or off. If I want to enable dark mode, I will just click on, and you can see we have successfully enabled dark mode in Instagram. So guys, in this way you can enable or turn on dark mode in Instagram account very easily. If this video guide is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.